Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about the Chicco FastLock 360 rotating hook-on chair. Chicco was kind enough to let us check this out and take a closer look at this. We've been using Chicco products for over 10 years now, raising our 5 kids, and we always appreciate Chicco's design and durability and the quality of their products. First things first, this is for children up to 37 pounds. And you want to use it on tables that are about 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inch thick. Do not use on glass tabletops or loose tabletops. You want to make sure it's a nice strong tabletop. And I wanted to talk about some of the top features first. And they talk about how it sets up in seconds, and we're going to take a look at that. It talks about a rotating seat and the snap-on tray. And you can see here the different rotations that you can have. Has 4 different rotations: front, left, right, and back. This was easy to put together, and first impressions are, like usual, Chicco uses very good quality materials. You can see the nice, easy washable tray here. And this is the charcoal material that they have, and it's nice and soft, and looks like this would be easy to clean with a washcloth, as your child may get it a little messy with meal times and stuff. Okay, one thing that's really nice about it is that it's easy to store and take with you, so you can kind of see the profile there when it's all put together. If you're going somewhere and you want to use it, you can hold it under your arm like this and take it with you. Now let's take a look at the fast clamp feature. So basically, these slide out like this, and they snap into place. You can hear that. And then this is how we'll attach underneath your table. So the way you do that is you fold these in, and you put this underneath the table. These have nice rubber grips here. And once you put that underneath your table, you're going to flip these up and use the FastLock clamps, which will move up as you press and create pressure against the table. And then it has these releases right here. So it's very easy to set up, and we're going to do that right now. Okay, before you set up, you want to make sure these 2 arms are facing each other like that. So you pretty much slide the tray up against the top of the table. Make sure it's flush here. And then you simply turn this fast clamp like that. Then you start pressing the fast clamp, and it secures to the table and it creates some pressure, and it's really tight. Then you do the same thing to the other side. You just turn it up and then start squeezing the fast clamp. And then it applies pressure to the table, and this thing is really secure. All right, so let me show you how secure this is. I'm pushing on this and it's not moving at all. So very nice, secure fit right here onto that table. Very easy to do, very quick to clamp on, like they said. So I'm pretty happy about that. So the hook-on chair can be adjusted to 4 different positions. So you can see here, it's facing front, and then you just grab it with 2 hands and rotate it. Now it's facing to the right for interaction or feeding or whatever you want to do. Here it's facing to the back, and then this way the child is facing to the left side, and then again to the front. So very easy to rotate this with 2 hands. And they kind of click into place at each of the different positions. So it has a snap-on tray that you can take off easily and put on easily. You just hold it by these 2 tabs, and it easily comes off. You can see where it snaps on right there. And this is a nice, easy to clean material, nice and smooth. And to put it on, you just line it up here and it snaps on. So I like that as well. Very convenient. To take the chair off the table, all you need to do is hit the release button here. And that comes down, you just rotate it in. And you do the same thing to the other side. Hit the release button. It's easy to do this just by feel. And then you rotate it in. And then you can pull this off the table. So here's that release button. Once that's up, you can just hit the release button, and that comes down underneath the table. Okay, and some other features here. Here's the safety harness. It has 2 buckles here that you can adjust easily. So you can fit it to your child so they are nice, safe, and secure. And they click in nicely. Also, the seat here releases from the frame if you wanted to do some extra type of cleaning or something. But there's just like a slide button or release button right there where you can take it off, and then just to put the seat back on, you can fit this in the front and it clips back into place. Just like that. Also, if you wanted to do a deep cleaning, there is a way to take the seat material off of the seat frame here if you wanted to do that. But again, to clip this into place, these just fit into the front, and then you can snap that down. Well, again, I'm really happy with the quality, the craftsmanship. We've been using Chicco products for many years now, raising our 5 kids, and I really like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.